Now we are being introduced to two new prepositions, two new huruf of jar. Harf of jar min, this means from. Al-baytu, the house. If I say minal bayti, it means from the house. The harf of jar min is forcing the word al-bayt to take a kasra, to be in jar state. So that's why we see the kasra on the letter ta. Min al-bayti, from the house. Then the next harf of jar we are learning is ila. Ila means towards or to. Al-masjidu, the mosque. Ila al-masjidi, to the masjid, to the mosque. So now our word bank has four prepositions, four huruf of jar. Fi, ala, min, ila. So this is a dialogue between the teacher and Muhammad. So the teacher says, Al-Mudarris says, Min aina anta. Min means from, aina means where, anta is a pronoun. Up till now we have learned two pronouns, huwa and hiya. Huwa, he, hiya, she. I'm learning my third pronoun, which is anta. Anta is a detached pronoun, a dhamir munfasil used for you. However, we have to remember that because Arabic is gender specific, anta is used when you're talking to someone who is male. There's a separate pronoun for someone who's female. You're talking to someone female, you'll use a separate pronoun. So you has two words in Arabic. One of them is anta. It will be used if you're talking to a boy. Min aina anta, the teacher is saying min aina anta means from where are you? Where are you from? And he was talking to Muhammad, and that's why he used the pronoun anta. Muhammad replies, Ana min al-Yabani. Fourth pronoun of our lesson, ana. Ana is a pronoun which means I. So now I have four pronouns. Huwa, hiya, he, she. Anta, you boy. Ana, I. Min, from. Al-Yaban. Al-Yaban is the word used in Arabic for the country Japan. I am from Japan. Ana min al-Yaban is a nominal sentence. Ana is the mubtada. A dhamir munfasil in the sentence is the mubtada. After the mubtada I put is, am, are, whatever works. I am. And the khabar, the predicate is shibhu jumla, jar majroor, min al-Yabani, harf jar min, and ism majroor al-Yabani. The teacher goes on and asks Al-Mudarris, wa min aina Ammarun, and from where is Ammar? Where is Ammar from? Muhammad replies, Huwa min as-Sini. Huwa we already know, he. Min we already know, from. As-Sin is the Arabic word for China. He is from China. Ammar is from China. The Mudarris now asks, wa min aina Hamidun, and where is Hamid from? So Muhammad replies, Huwa min al-Hindi, a new word. Al-Hind is the name for the country India. He is from India. Al-Mudarris says, Aina Abbasun, where is Abbas? Remember, he's not asking where is Abbas from. He's not saying min aina, from where is Abbas. He's just saying where is Abbas. He's asking about his whereabouts. Muhammad replies, kharaja. So here we are introduced to our first verb in the book. Kharaja is a verb. The fa'il in Arabic can be fa'il madi, fa'il mudari, or fa'il amr. This is a past tense verb. Kharaja. It means he went out or he left. So Abbas, he went out. The Mudarris asks, Aina dhahaba, where he went, or I can say where did he go. Dhahaba is my second verb that's being introduced. Dhahaba means he went. So now I have two verbs in my word bank. Kharaja, dhahaba. Note the pattern. Not all verbs are going to look like this, but this is one of the forms the verbs will look like. You will see three letters and each of the letters will have a fatha on it. This is the past tense of huwa. Like if he did the action in the past, this is how it can look. Kharaja, he went out. ذهب, he went. So Muhammad replies, ذهب إلى المدير, he went to the principal. Al-Mudir is a word used for like a chief of a place, a manager. It can be the manager of a store or a restaurant. So the chief of a school would be like the principal or the headmaster. So he went to the principal. Al-Mudarris asks, وَأَيْنَ ذَهَبَ عَلِيٌّ, and where did Ali go? Ali also went somewhere, so he's asking, where did he go? Muhammad replies, ذهب, he went, إلى المرحاض, to the toilet. Al-mirhad is a new word we are learning. Al-mirhad is the toilet. So we learned a lot of things in this little dialogue. We learned two new pronouns, ana and anta. Ana and anta. We learned two new huruf of jar, min and ila. We learned two new verbs, kharaja and dhahaba, so two of each. And then we learned some names of countries, As-Sin, Al-Yaban, Al-Hind, and we also learned the name for toilet, mirhad. Then there is this exercise. It's saying, Ajib anil as'ilatil atiya, answer the following questions. Min aina anta? Min aina anta? From the text we are answering, so the answer would be Ana min al-Yabani, I am from Japan. That's what the answer was in the text. Question number 2, you are seeing two hamzas. One of the hamzas is the questioning hamza. We talked about the questioning hamza that yields the answer yes or no. The second hamza is part of the word anta, the pronoun anta. So it's actually a anta min al-Philippine. Philippine is the country Philippines. In Arabic, there is no P. So that sound is, there's no P letter in the Arabic. So they use B instead. So, anta min al-Philippine, are you from Philippines? And the answer would be no, he was actually from Japan. So he's going to say La. Ana min al-Yabani, I am from Japan. Question number 3, Man min as-Sini, Man min as-Sini, who is from China? And I think Ammar was from China, so we will say Ammarun min as-Sini, Ammar is from China. Min aina Hamidun, from where is Hamid? Where is Hamid from? Hamid was from India, so Hamidun min al-Hindi, Hamid is from India. I want you to notice something. There are two words. The spelling is the same, Mim Noon. One of them has a fatha on the Mim, Man. The other has a kasra on the Mim, Min. The word Man is a questioning word. It means who. The word Min is a harf and it means from. Because if you see in number 4, Dr. Saab has removed the harakat. So here you don't get the clue what the word is. You have to kind of make sense from the sentence. So if you wanted to say, oh, maybe it's man, that would be man aina Hamidun. Man means who. Who, where, Hamid. Does not make any sense. Let's try min. Min aina Hamidun. From where Hamid. Okay, from where is Hamid? That makes sense. So here it is actually min. In the beginning, we will continue to put harakat on all the words, but I'm trying to tell you that slowly and gradually the harakat will disappear. And we will still be able to, inshallah, make out the words because our brain will start recognizing and it will start making sense. Question number 5. Aina dhahaba Abbasun? Where he went, Abbas. Where did Abbas go? So Abbas, he went to the principal. So dhahaba Abbasun ilal mudiri. Dhahaba ilal mudiri works. Dhahaba Abbasun ilal mudiri works better. After dhahaba, the word Abbas is actually showing us who is the one who did the action. This is something we will do in grammar. I don't want to go too much in detail about this. Number 6 says, أذهب علي إلى المدير? No, Ali didn't go to the principal, Abbas did. So when you have the Hamza, the answer should be either yes or no, right? أذهب علي إلى المدير? The answer is no, so لا. ذهب عباس إلى المدير. Right? Actually, it was Abbas who went to the principal. You can do these exercises and check your answers from the solution key number 1. You can go to the right exercise and check your answers against there. Number 2 says اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Now we are familiar with what they're asking here. They're asking us to read and write with the correct ending on the last letter. Remember, if there is an ism, it's standing alone, not in a sentence, we just by default put a dhamma on it. If it has an al, you will put one dhamma because it's definite. If it does not have al, we will put two dhammas, indefinite. Al ghurfatu. The next one is, I see a harf of jar min, and after that al ghurfa. Min is going to force al ghurfa to be in jar state to take a kasra. So min al ghurfati. So you just go ahead, and if you see a harf of jar, you know for now, you know fi, ala, min, ila. You see any of these harf of jar, the noun after it, you need to put a kasra on it. If you don't see the harf of jar, then you put a dhamma on the noun. Then number 3 is saying iqra waktub. More questions. Min aina Fatimatu? Min aina Fatimatu? I'm not saying Fatimatun. Remember, the female name that does not have a male counterpart, we only put one dhamma. From where is Fatima? Now, because Fatima is a mu'annath word, when we use the pronoun for it, we're going to use hiya. We're not going to use huwa now. Hiya min al-Hindi. Hiya, she. Min, from. Al-Hind, India. She is from India. Nominal sentence. Hiya is the mubtada. Khabar is shibhu jumla. Jar majroor. Min al-Hindi. She is from India. Number 2. خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير. This, if you notice, is actually an exercise. So you are expected to put the right harakat on all the asma. Kharaja is the verb, fine. Al-mudarris. Now you have to decide, am I going to put a dhamma here or a kasra here? Is kharaja a harf of jar? No, we just said it's a verb. So al-mudarris stays with the dhamma. Kharaja al-mudarrisu. Min is a harf of jar. So the word after it, al-fasl, now it needs a kasra. Min al-fasli. Min al-fasli. Wa and dhahaba. That's another verb. Ila is a harf of jar. Al-mudir is an ism, so it needs a kasra because it's following ila. That's how I got خرج المدرس من الفصل وذهب إلى المدير.